Hello guys, welcome to xcinemez tutorials. Today I'm going to show you how can you shoot a Cinemagraph video on your Android phone and how can you edit in Android phone. So let's start my video with the intro. So guys, I hope you all like the intro and please hit the subscribe button and like the video and don't forget to subscribe once I can say you. So let's start the video with this moment. Guys, take this two glasses and film like me only. You can take a video of this like this. You can take here. Now you can move to your gallery and select the picture or video, anything, and send it to KineMaster, and your KineMaster opens. So guys, now you can click on your clip and you can go to capture screen. Then see it's captured already. Yes, capturing now. Okay friends, your screen has been captured now. Okay friends, now click on your clip and select the speed. I'm selecting my speed to 0.5 and you can see now. Okay friends. After selecting the speed, and you can watch your video 1 second or not, anything you wish you want. Okay friends, after finishing watching, you can export the clip. I'm exporting my clip here friends. So guys, I have exported my clip and I'm removing my older clip, and I click on my capture and I select my capture clip, and I again go to my videos and my exported clip here. And after this, you should fill the screen like this friends. Friends, now is the main editing part of your video, to select and cropping and masking. So I should mask the video to rectangle shape. Only water you should crop here like me only. Don't do any changes, do only like me, because you get a better results. Friends, I have cropped my video. Once and I should watch the video. Friends, I'm watching now. Click right after cropping and watch. And if your clip is not came properly, means again you can do, or should you want to do or not. Okay friends, I have to do again, and my shape is not right. I'm taking a larger rectangle here and I'm keeping a feather 100% here. And feather is the most important thing friends. Keep feather to 100%. So friend, this is a final output of your video.